Hi everyone. Today I am back with Sequence and Series 01. This is a new chapter. Although I have made several videos on AP, EGP, separate videos on these topics, you can go to my tab and you can go to my channel and scroll down and see that there is a playlist named Handwritten Videos. You will get detailed videos of AP, GP, and HP there. These are the basics of any sequence and series. Today I am starting with three questions as usual. This is question 1, and this is to inform you all that I have started a Telegram channel with the link as t.amy. Those who are seeing this video are very much recommended to go into this Telegram channel. The math boy, sorry, I have written math boy, right? It's wrong. Let me rub it. Yeah, this is the thing. It will be t.me. The math. There's no space there, but only for the convenience of you all, I have really given a space. This is like this. The math boy. Here also no space. Boy notes. Right. I have written it slanted. This is the thing. The math by notes. If you already have Telegram, then you can search the math by notes, and discussion. You will get this is the name of our channel, and you will get the channel. And please join it. There, I will give you various notes from different maths, physics, chemistry, everything will be provided there. Rubbing it, moving on to the question. I will give you the link again in the description box, so no worry. This is the question. Let A1 if it is in blur, let A1, A2, A3 be a sequence of integers. It's an integer basically satisfying an plus an minus 1 is equals to 2n. N plus n minus 1 is equals to 2n. This is a symbol for all. This is written like this. This is somewhere tell as upside down a, but it's not that, it's for all. N greater than equals to 2, n belongs to natural number. This is given. A1 is 100. This is the thing given. Then giving you options, we have to find then what will be the conditions. This is the first option, that is A7. A7. This is a multiple correct question. This very important to note that this is a multiple correct question, not a single correct. So you must know what is the main approach, maximum approach people do during multiple correct question. That is option checking is one of the best approach in multiple correct question. Single correct question we have processes and there is only one correct, but multiple correct, since there are more than one correct, we have to check options. Sorry, here it's not 1, it's 8. It is not come. Yeah. What is going on? Yeah, this is the eraser. I have dropped it. Yeah. No. This is option C. This is option A, option B, option C. Check it. No. Option C, there are 4 options as usual in every question I come across. 8 is minus 90. And the last option is A12. is given minus 88. A12 is minus 88. Minus 88. Yeah, these are the options to the question. Now, try this question. By pausing the video, I am moving on to the solution now. Answer is option A, option B, and option C. Let's see how. See, an minus 1, what we have to find a2 first. Don't think that we will come on a2, a3, a4, a5, a6, a7. There is a7, 8, 11, 12. We can't do like that. But first we have to find a2. a2 is 2 into 2 means 4. 4 plus 100 is 104. No, 4 minus 100, sorry, minus 100. Then 4 minus 96. Sorry, this is nothing. Now a3, check. a3 will be 6 plus 96, it will be 102. Now we will come across a very nice form of a series after finding a4. See, if a4 is there, a4 will be 8 minus 102, right? 8 minus 102. What is that? 9 minus 94. Now you will go on finding. You may find up to 7. We can see that 5, 6. If we find a5, a6, it will also be that form only 100. Then a5 will be 100, a3 is 102, a5 will be 104, a7 will be 106. See, you can find it because it's very easy to calculate this. There are some questions where there are given a 100, a 200, which is very difficult. But here I have given small subscripts, but we have to think of that because it's coming to be AP like 100, 100, 200, 400, 608, and and so on. Then we can get the series. We will not find any more after getting the AP. Then 100 and A11. A7 is 106, A9 will be 108, A11 will be 110. Then now let's check the even numbers. A8. A8, A2 is minus 96, A4 will be minus 94. You can use AP formula also because it's a small subscript. I am giving you direct examples. AP formula that n in A plus n minus 1 into d, that formula you can use also. But here by very small subscript, that formula using will be very time consuming from the other side. A2 is minus 96, A4 minus 94, A2, A6 minus 92, and A8 is minus 90. But A10 is minus 88, A12 is minus 86, not minus 88. This is wrong, so option D will not be the answer. Done. Answer is A, B, C. B, C. Done. Moving on to the second question of sequential series. This is the second question. The sequence of this is the how to represent a sequence in a second bracket like a set A n and then the close bracket, right? N belongs to natural number satisfies a1 is equal to 1 and 5 to the power a to the power n minus 1 minus an is equal to 1 plus 1 by this is 2 by 3. We have to find a1 plus a2 plus a3, right? Let me give you the options here. Let me see if I can give you relevant options. What can be the options here? Let option A, B, what can be? Let log, answer will be in log form. That's answer will maybe in log form. I can't claim that answer is in log form, but answer may be in log form. Log 11 by Option B is, let's see, log, what can be now given, log 11 base 5. Option C is let log 440 base 5. Options is not a very important thing. Process is one of the important. Option is important while checking during competition. But also for knowledge we need a process only, not options and the option checking. But let's see this. Then what can be the fourth option? Fourth option is log, let, given here it will be log 8 base 5, let 8 base 5, let it be. No, answer is in log form, by the way, because all options are in log and base 5. So we have to find only the index. I will make a series on logarithm after within some upcoming videos. I will make a series. I will start making a series now. Make a series within one video. Okay. These are the options here. Moving on to the solution. Try by pausing the video. Answer option C. Very easy to. My options are very easy to identify. But process is main important according to me, so options I am not giving them priority here. Let's see what is that process here. So there are some circumstances where we give priority to the options, but not always. Okay, let's see. A1 given as 1, no need to worry about that, but here the answer is in log form, so we need to take some strain here and make it as log 5 base 5, because options are in log base 5. So this is a for checking options. Sorry, not B, there is A2 given, right? A2, not B. A2. A2 will be what? Check. 5 to the power. Wait. Before writing A2, let me give you how finding A2, then writing the statement. 5 to the power A2 minus 1. A2 minus A1 is 1 is equals to 1 plus, here n is 1 not 2, this is the thing to be noted. 1 plus 2 by 3 is 5 by 3, then the numerator can be written as 3 by 5, which is equals to 8 by 5. 8 by 5. Okay, see. A2 will be then got, this is 5 to the power A2 by 5, we can write it as 5 to the power A2 by 5. A2 is equals to 8, right? Use log 5 base 5 on both sides, then log base 5 on both sides, then A2 will be equals to 8 log base 5 8, log 8 base 5. Option D, log 8 base 5. I have given option D to be as the value of it. Log 8 base 5. Base 5. Checking option 3. Checking option 3, not sorry, my fault. Checking A3. Same process continue. 5 to the power A3 minus log 8 base 5, find the value, is equals to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2, n will be 2 plus 2 by 3, which is 1 by 8 by 3 or 1 plus 3 by 8, which is 11 by 8. I am not writing the each and every steps. I have dictated. Rewind the video and see it, hear it clearly. Now this is the thing. I can write then 5 to the power 8 3 as C. Denominator will come as 5 to the power log 8 base 5. We know by logarithm property it is 11. I consider yourself to knowing. If you don't know, stay tuned. I will start making playlist on log. Then this will be log taking log base 5 on both sides. A3 will be log 11 base 5. 11 base 5. Add all. Answer will be 5 into 8, 40 into 11, log 440 base 5. Done. This is the answer. Since writing in this laptop is very not so easy to write for me on my side, I am skipping some steps, but if you can't understand anything, comment me. I will try to clarify that. Third question and the last question for today. This is the question. This is a very crucial question which consists of both sequence and series, geometry, area of a triangle property. Area of a triangle property is a Pythagorean theorem. All basic theorems are involved in this question. It's a very crucial question. One can easily find right angle triangle. Everyone mind will strike that 3, 4, 5, 3x, 4x, 5x right angle triangle. But that's not the thing. We have to find out how we have come across that. Answer, let me give you options. Option I am giving you, let's say 8. Option B I am giving you, let's say 10. Option C is option B is 10. Okay. Option C is 2. Option D is let's give option D as 6. What happened? This went away. Very great 6. This is very great 6. Wait. This is a grade 6. Let's rub the greatness of it. Now, options right in front of you. Now you may try the question. Moving on to the solution of the question. Anyways, no need to zoom now. Okay. Yeah. This is a right angle triangle. I'm giving, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. Given of that PB, I am writing direct PB. Given PB is equals to 2 into 24 is 48. 2 into 24 is 48. PB's value is given. Using Pythagorean theorem, P square plus B square is equal to A square. P square plus B square is equals to H square. Now, let's give some variable. Let's write the terms P, B and H in form of some variables. Let P be A minus D. A is the one term of A. Because they are in AP, we can write this. And B is A, let D is the common difference, you can easily get to know. And H, since it is the largest side, it's given A plus D. A plus D. Simplify now. Putting the value of A and D here to each term. After simplifying, I am not simplifying it fully. You will get A square is equal to 40. A square is equals to 4AD. Sorry, A square is equals to 4AD. This is the thing you will get after solving this. So solve it first, then you will get this. Now one thing here, a can be 0, but the base can't be 0. This is not a case for a triangle, so we can directly cut this. A is equal to 4d, a is equal to 4d. Now we got what I told you first, that is the triangle is of the form 3d, 4d and 5d. 3d, 4d and 5d, and the answer is basically 6. The final step is that multiply 3d and 4d, it's 12d square is equals to 48. Cut it. D is taken positive, the thing, because if D is taken negative, H will not be the greatest side, and we know very clearly that H is the largest side of a right angle triangle. Then we can't write D is equal to, here is it, D is equal to plus minus 2, we will write direct D is equal to 2. It's gone. D is equals to 2. Now side, each side length 6, this can be, I am writing this here, I will give the implied sign after writing this. This is 10. This is implied here. This is implied. Then smallest side we need to find. Smallest among this is 6. Answer is 6. Done. Ending today's video here. Thank you.